Get your Chris Brown ass out the crowd, Chris Brown. Oh, look at Chris Brown, y'all. He said he's sorry for beating up Rihanna.
Hey. Oh, geez. Okay.
Let's go, bro.
Get on with it. Let's go.
Show me that liveness.
Okay. Oh.
Let's go, bro. Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. Hey, get your ass up. You ain't did nothing all day. Come on. Hype up.
Bro.
First of all.
Let's go.
Scoot in, nigga. Scoot in.
Go. Scoot in.
Let's go, bro. Yeah. That was nice, nigga.
Let's go, bro.
Let's go, nigga.
Yeah.
C4's up, nigga. Let's go, twin. Oh, he did a cold red. He did a cold red. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Give me that dog meat, nigga.
Getting Doritos.
Show me a travel.
Don't you go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go, bro. Yeah. Let's go. That was real nice. Oh, you got one more. Whoa! 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 Yeah!